So, hi dear Aquarius, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal a reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 19 till the 25th of August, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, let's start. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. We have the Four of Swords. Okay, there's a lot of healing going on behind the scenes. It's like on a break, deliberately not participating too much in the situation because right now they are on the healing journey. Okay, there might be some kind of distance between you guys, physical distance, like long distance might be, but this person is feeling like healing themselves from something. Hmm? Detaching themselves from something and taking rest. Okay. Let me clarify the Four of Swords here. We have the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Swords, the Star. Okay. This person is trying to be happy. Okay. After this person is trying to like heal themselves, they are trying to pretend to be happy, but they're not happy. There is something that's going on that they might not be even telling you. There is something going on behind the scenes that's making them feel very sad, very depressed, but they're pretending to be happy about it, they're pretending to be okay about it, but there's something going on behind the scenes that's making this person very sad, very depressed, and they're trying to heal themselves as much as they can. This is your card only, Aquarius. It might be about you. They got to know something about you, or they might be feeling like you did something, you're doing something behind their back, and they're pretending to be okay with that, but they're not okay. They're heartbroken over something. I don't know if it's true, like that you did something and they got to know about it, or it's just their delusion. There's just their illusion that you are doing something behind their back, but they're pretending to be okay. They're pretending to be healing, and they are trying to detach themselves from this idea that you might be dealing with somebody else or something else behind their back. Okay, I don't know what is the truth here, but they feel like there's something that you're hiding from them. They're hurt, but they're pretending to be okay. Okay, let's see. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? What's happening? Death in reverse. Okay, it's like you feel like you can't let this person go, even if you're trying your best, even if you tried like 100 times to let it go, to get out of this situation, to break up, to detach. You're not able to do that. No matter how hard you are trying to let it go, get out of this situation, and put an end to this, it's not happening. Okay, it's a never ending cycle. You feel like that. Okay, let's clarify the death in reverse. We have the Ace of Queen of Wands, Chariot, and the Six of Cups. You're still very, very passionate about this particular personal energy. This is a deep soul connection. You are very passionate. You still want this person in your life, and you never want to let them go because you tried your best, and you feel like you should stop trying now because it's not working. Your trying is not working, and no matter how hard you are trying to let go of this person or this situation out of your life, out of your system, it's not going anywhere, especially from inside of you. I don't know on a physical level, like in the 3D world, what is happening between you guys, but you feel like it's stupid to try to get out of the to get this person out of your system because you can't. You're still very much passionate, you still miss them, you still feel like this person is a part of you, like it's like tattooed on your heart kind of a deal. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Aquarius. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? King, okay, Knight of Wands. Okay, So their intention is to take some kind of action in this direction. Their intention is to definitely do something about it. They're very passionate. Passionate sometimes it is angry energy also. It's not like passionate or like sexually passionate or like that. They're very passionate to do something about the situation. They're like, I have to do something about it. I should do something about it. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Wands. We have the Judgment, the Nine of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. Hmm. This person wants to fix the situation between you and them. This person wants to sort it out with you, whatever that means. If it means apologizing to you, getting like the forgiveness from you, and letting go of whatever happened and starting from scratch, or it means like you should ask for forgiveness from them. You should like ask for a second chance from them. But they want to let go of the depression, the anxiety, the stressful energies out of this situation, and they want to put in the effort and energy to make this, to sort this out with you, whatever it means in your case. This person definitely wants to sort this out with you. This person definitely wants to take some kind of action in this direction to sort this out with you. This is what I'm getting, sorting it out with you. This is what they want. Yeah, because they can't take it like that. This is making them sad, this is making them depressed, this is making them feeling like lost and confused emotionally, very unhappy. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Tower. You just want to get break, like you have a breakthrough from the situation. You just want a breakthrough in the situation. You're just like, okay, I want something to happen in the situation because enough is enough. It's like either make it or break it kind of a deal, but I want something to happen because according to you, enough is enough. Okay, let's clarify the Tower here. We have the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Temperance. You just want to accept the truth for what it is, but you're losing your patience, you're losing your mind. You're like, enough of this bullshit, I want to get out of this. I don't have any more patience left in the situation. This is done, this is gone. I got it, I got the clarity, I got the answers, but I want to get out of this. I don't have any more patience left for this. That's it. Enough is enough. So from your side, you are being in this energy of, I just want to get out of this as quickly as possible because of running because I'm running out of patience. I'm running out of this energy of wanting it to work out. I'm done. I want to get out of this miserable thing. I want to get out of this feeling sorry for myself thing. I just want to get over this, Angelique, because enough is enough. I have suffered enough. I don't want to take it anymore because I can't. I can understand, honey. You're somewhat feeling defeated in the situation and you want to get out of this feeling because it's making you feel very, very heavy, very, very like, how does a defeated person feel? Like it's out of control kind of a deal, and you are losing your patience and losing your mind, like you can't take it anymore. Yeah, let's see what's coming towards you till the 25th of August. What could be the possible outcome of the situation? Six of Pentacles. I do see some kind of balance being restored in some way, shape, or form in your personal life. Like not in the situation, I guess. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles here. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Moving on, I think some kind of communication is going to happen, some kind of closure. You're going to get some kind of closure here. Either somebody is going to talk to you, literally talk to you, and you guys are going to have a proper communication with each other, and you guys are going to get the proper closure. And then you guys are going to be like, okay, now the balance is restored in our individual lives, and now we can move on ahead and in two separate directions. Or something is going to happen that's going to make you realize from inside of you that to find the balance within yourself, you need to get the closure. And to get the closure, I think you're going to get some kind of dream, or you are going to get some kind of message from somebody who is very wise, or you're definitely going to get some kind of message or blessing or something like that from somebody who's going to give you this closure, give you this energy of, okay, now finally I can move on because I get the proper closure. I don't know how, but you're going to get the closure here, and balance is going to be restored within yourself. For it's for you only, Aquarius. It's like you getting the closure within yourself. Either this person is going to communicate with you, you guys are going to have a proper communication like two mature adults, and splitting apart like two mature adults, and calling it off and saying goodbye to each other and giving blessings. Or it could be like you getting some kind of wisdom or knowledge, or some kind of uh, dream, or some kind of intuitive message or something like that, or maybe a video or something that is going to give you a proper closure, and then the balance is going to be restored within yourself. Then you are going to be like, okay, now I got my closure, now I got my clarity, now it's a goodbye. Okay, even if it is going to hurt you or bother you for a little bit, but you are going to get the clarity and the closure, and then you will start moving on, literally moving on this time. Like it's going to be the final what should I say, it's going to be the final like bump on the head, and you will be like, okay, okay, universe, I got it now. And this time is kind of final, yeah. So I do see you obsessively thinking about listening to your intuition, obsessively getting this idea of getting to going towards spirituality, or going towards some kind of spiritual person or healer or counselor or therapist or somebody who can help you to move on from the situation, or get the proper closure that in the situation that you're not able to get from a particular person or situation. So you're obsessively thinking about it, and because you are obsessively thinking about it, you're continuously manifesting this in your mind. Universe, help me to move on from this situation, or help me to get a proper closure, or give me with a proper clarity, or give me something so that I can move on from the situation. Give me a message, give me a sign, give me something, and the universe is going to give you that. And from that point onwards, I do see a brand new beginning in your life. Starting from this point onwards, you are going to be like, now I'm pretty sure, pretty clear, everything is crystal clear in front of me, in front of my eyes, that this is what it is, and now this is a final goodbye. So yes, now I have to move on. So from that this point onwards, you are going to move on. Something is going to happen. It's going to be so miraculous, it's going to be so strange. You might feel like, what the heck just happened? But at the same time, you're going to feel like, okay, miracles do happen, and universe do listen to you. So this is going to give you lesson and blessing both at the same time. Wow, it's very deep. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.